Hello and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. So today is another cozy by the tree, by the fireplace vibes. It is actually Christmas Day and I'm just filming a quick what I got for Christmas haul. I'm really excited to share with you guys everything I got this year. I love watching these videos. I don't know if that's weird, but I think they're so fun. I hope you enjoy watching them as well. Also, a big thank you to all of my friends and family. I love you guys so much and thank you for all these gifts. Make me feel really special this Christmas. But yeah, we got some gifts to get into, so without further ado, let's just get into it. Alright, so the first gift is actually what I'm wearing literally right now. It is so cute. This is from my older sister and it's this little cozy set from Barefoot Dreams, which if you see my gift guides, you know I love Barefoot Dreams. Just the soft blanket material, I want it in everything. I got a robe, I got a blanket, I got socks, and now this cute little matching set, which is so fun. It actually also has like a little hood on it, which is super cute. But yeah, I got this and immediately put it on, and I don't think I took the tags off yet. I didn't. This was like one of those gifts where you get it and just immediately put it on. So that is my first gift, which I love. And then next up, I got, so this is from my little sister, and she got me this cute little golf dress. So cute, from Aloe. And what's better is she also got me this matching visor, which is so cute. It has a little aloe on it, and then this is the back of it. So cute. And I have this little matching golf set, which if you watch some of my vlogs, you know that I've actually kind of picked up golf in this past year. You know, it's kind of becoming my hobby on the side. Also, golf has cute clothes that come hand in hand with it, so that's just a win. But yeah, so a cute little golf outfit from Aloe. And then next up, alright, this is kind of no particular order here. So this is from my Secret Santa. For my husband's family, they have a lot of siblings between all of the actual siblings plus wives, significant others, all that jazz. So we all kind of just draw names and pick one person and get them a really nice gift as opposed to just getting a bunch of little gifts for everyone. So we kind of make it a Secret Santa, but it's like not secret. I try and keep mine secret, but it doesn't really work when you're the only one who keeps the secret. Anyways, so my Secret Santa got me these super cute Uggs, which, oh my gosh, look at these. The little platform, which I also had in my gift guide, so y'all be watching my gift guide, know what I like. These are just so cute and I can't wait to literally wear these too much all the time for the rest of winter and beyond. But yeah, I think I'm literally gonna wear these tonight. Super cute, 10 out of 10. These are so fun. Little platform Uggs. And then next up, this one's for my mom. And this is some Lululemon. So this jacket is so cute. I feel like very stylish in it. Very housewife chic in the best way possible. So that's kind of the vibe I'm getting here. But it is so cute and I love the color of it. So pretty. So I got this little Lululemon jacket, and then so this is a little skirt, little golf skirt, which is super cute from Lululemon. It's just in black, so it can go with anything and I can wear it multiple times and people won't know because, you know, it's one of those kind of neutrally things. But yeah, so this is super cute, a little Lululemon golf skirt. I think it's actually a golf skirt technically. Yes, there's shorts in it. So little skirt. I also might be like a tennis skirt. I don't know. I've said it before, but I don't really know the difference between golf and tennis. I feel like there's a fine line. I just don't know what the line is. So if you know what the line is, let me know in the comments. What is the difference? I would like to know. All right, so putting this away, trying to make a huge mess here. And then next, oh, okay, these, so stunning. They're these diamond earrings from Le Fon is the brand. I think it's like a Nordstrom brand. This came in like a Nordstrom package. These really beautiful diamond studs. What's cool about these is they're actually the same exact cut as my wedding ring. So you can see the little, like, they're an oval shape, which literally matches almost exactly. They're like the same. So I got some earrings to match my ring, which is super fun. And that was from my sister, my older sister. Super cute. And these are just like classic studs. Literally wear every day. Right now, I'm really into my gold hoops as my everyday earring, but it's nice to have these as a variety since a gold hoop and a diamond stud are very different in my opinion. It's nice to kind of have that variety, which I'm excited about. So got those. All right, and then also my favorite annual Christmas present, a little PJ set from Victoria's Secret. So my mom gets me and my sisters these every year, and I look forward to them every year because I never really go out and buy myself pajama sets, so getting a nice fresh pair is always great. Love it. I also put out my gift guide as well. Yeah, these ones are actually so soft, and I like how they're kind of the jogger style too. So this is kind of the style of them, and then in this kind of minty green teal color. Really pretty, really cute. I'm literally gonna wear these tonight for sure. So there's that. Thank you, Mom. And then, all right, so these are also from my older sister. So she got me these cute little clip sets from Anthropologie, which are so pretty. They all have like different stones on them, and they're literally so beautiful. And I think just such a fun accessory to throw in your hair. They're all very elegant looking in my opinion. So these are super cute. Love that. And my sister also got me, these are fun little headbands for when you wash your face, so you can like keeps your hair back. I got two of them. So I got a pink one and a white one. So cute. You know, I wash my face twice a day, so get a lot of use out of these for sure. And it just feels so like luxurious when you wear them because they're super soft and fuzzy. Love it. All right, next up. Ooh, okay. We got the iconic Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. So the little Dior lip oil, which I feel like this is one of those viral items that honestly I feel like lives up to the hype. So here it is. Just the bottle alone, I feel like, is so cute. So I will be wearing this all the time. I'm not like a big makeup person, but I am a big something on the lips and mascara kind of gal. I've also been dabbling in blush world. But yeah, so this is really cute and I'll be wearing it all the time. Love it. Next up, oh, this is also from my sister. So these are packing cubes, which is such a thoughtful gift, honestly. I somehow end up traveling a lot. Never really on purpose. I don't know. I traveled to like 3 different countries last year. Just kind of happens, honestly. But yeah, so I'm somewhat of a world traveler and always, you know, packing things. And so getting these little packing cubes, I've heard so many good things about packing cubes. I personally have never cube packed before in my life. I'm still not sure I completely understand the science behind the cubes and how they help you pack better. I've heard so many good things. I have a couple friends who just swear by packing cubes. So we will give it a go. We will try it out. And yeah, these ones are super cute. They're in this fun little electric blue color. And yeah, super cute, super fun gift. And next, oh, okay. These boots are beautiful. Let me show you. They're from Vince Camuto. Huge box. And look. I am so in love with these. Are you kidding me? Literally stunning. No words. Yeah, these are beautiful. Just the detail on them. The zipper on here, and then on the back, it has that little gold detail of the Vince Camuto. Yeah, these are just stunning. Love. 10 out of 10. They're from my mom, so thank you, Mom. Yeah, these boots, yes. Everything. I will wear these too much. Kind of my theme here. All of these clothes I'm getting, I'm literally gonna wear to the death. Love these though. And then next, what do we got? So we got some stocking stuffers on top. So the first one is this scalp massager, which funny enough, my husband Jake actually got one of these for himself a bit ago and I started using it and I really love it. And so now I have my own little scalp scrubber. 10 out of 10. Haven't had any problems with it. And yeah, I would recommend, you know, if you want to kind of get in there and feel like you get a really good wash in when when you wash your hair. I do recommend these. And yeah, I got this from Jake's mom, so very thoughtful. And then next, also from Jake's parents, this really cool makeup brush cleaner, which I feel like I've seen these online before, but I've never tried one myself. Looks like you just put it in the little container and it spins and cleans your makeup brushes, which is so nice. The worst thing is having dirty makeup brushes, and I feel like they're so hard to clean in my opinion. There isn't an easy way to do it, so I really like this idea. And then classic, a mint chocolate Kit Kat, we love. And then also, okay, this beanie, so cute. It is from Lululemon and it is so warm. It has this inner lining of fur on it, which is so genius. I love that. I run very cold just in general, so having a nice warm beanie, great gift, perfect gift. Yeah, this one is so cute. It has a little puffy ball on top and I love the pattern design of it, the kind of like gray, black, white. Very cute, very stylish. And yeah, we're actually going up to the mountains after this, so we'll be getting some use out of this beanie. All right, and then also from Jake's parents, it's got Skims. So fun. Here it is. It's this little crop teddy bear jacket, which is, first of all, so soft. Kind of rivals my barefoot dreams. I don't know which one's softer. They're both really, really soft. This one is just so soft and also so cute. Skims, love it. Great quality, great brand. Also, something really cool about this is they actually went on a Black Friday sale. I remember I sent the link to Jake's mom and was like, oh look, they like went on sale, you know, I'm trying to save a couple bucks. She had actually already bought the jacket, but the customer service was so amazing. She sent them a little note saying that she recently purchased it, saw it went on sale, and they actually refunded her the difference of what the sale price was. So props to Kim Kardashian, you and your customer service team, A+. But yeah, so I got a little Skims jacket, cute. All right, what else we got? Dive on in. Another jacket. So this, this is actually kind of funny. I'm gonna be posting a what I gave for Christmas video, and so when that's out, go make sure you check it out. But we'll see, I actually gifted my mom this exact jacket. I didn't realize I also had put it on my Christmas list, and then when I was shopping for her, I thought it was really cute and I also ordered it for her. So when I opened this up on Christmas, I realized, oh my goodness, I got her the literal exact jacket. So we're gonna be twinning, super fun. But here it is. It is this Steve Madden puffer, and I just felt like it was so chic and very stylish. I love the leather on it. It's really, really soft and just a really pretty jacket, honestly. Really love it. And like I said, I'm going out to the mountains this week, so I'm gonna be getting all the uses out of my puffy, warm jackets. But even in California, I always run really cold. I already said that. I'm gonna be wearing this when it's like drops below 70. But yeah, this one is super cute, very stylish, and obviously I love it and thought it was cool enough to get my mom. So yeah, we're gonna be matching and I'm not mad about it. So that is that jacket we gifted to each other. And then next, this sweater is really fun. So it has, it's me, I'm the problem, it's me, which is the iconic quote from the iconic Taylor Swift song. Me and all my friends, we got tickets to the Taylor Swift concert, which if you guys were on the internet during that time, you would know it was a very traumatic experience. Probably heard all the horror stories, and me and my friends ended up securing some tickets. So we are going to see Taylor Swift next year, and now we all have matching sweaters. All of our moms got us these matching sweaters, which are so cute and so fun. But yeah, so we got this ready to go to the Taylor Swift concert. So yeah, so a fun little gift, and I'll be matching all my friends. All right, now we'll take a short intermission for gifts that I don't physically have with me right now. So Jake's parents also got me a really cute bar cart for our upstairs movie room. I'll be posting it in some of my vlogs of me kind of building that room, but it is this really cute bar cart. It's gold, has little glass on it, and just really pretty and just totally fits the vibe. But yeah, so I got a cute little bar cart from Jake's parents. And then from Jake, my husband, we actually went together to get this gift, and it is a really nice custom frame that I totally picked out myself. There was like a lot of options, but we kind of narrowed it down and found the perfect frame for me. It is to frame my CPA license, which I don't know if y'all know, girl still got a day job. She's a CPA, I'm an accountant, my day job. So I had my license for a while now, and just getting around to actually framing it. Getting my license was probably one of my biggest accomplishments, honestly, in my career, I felt like. So it's just been like a really proud thing of mine that I have. For him to want to get me this custom frame for it and really just kind of show off all of my blood, sweat, and tears that went into getting this license, I really appreciate. So that is the gift that he got me this year. Not physically with us because it is still getting built, but yeah, it's going to be so beautiful once it comes in. I already know it. Alright, I knew I forgot something. So my mom got me and my sisters these engraved bracelets from Gorgina, and it is so cute. It's a little adjustable bracelet, but yeah, with my name in cursive and little hearts. Super cute, very thoughtful. I love it. So yeah, that's my intermission of gifts, not physically with us right now. Okay, now back to the physical gifts. All right, so this is also from Jake's parents. I got some little Barefoot Dreams socks. Kind of go with my Barefoot Dreams outfit. Love it. And these, 10 out of 10. Love, love, love. Anything Barefoot Dreams. Love it. And then also from his parents, I got these gloves, which are these beautiful white North Face gloves. And every time we go up to Big Bear, I always have to like borrow someone else's snow gloves since I don't really have my own. So now I have my own gloves, and I exclusively use my gloves to build snowmen. So I'm going to be able to build a snowman this year with my own snow gloves. Amazing, you know, love it. And then also, this is another little fun gift from Jake. He actually got me this little like beaver otter driver cover. So kind of like I said earlier, I have been getting into golf, and this is just so cute. He has some fun like stuffed animal covers on his golf clubs, and I love them. I think it's so fun. So he got me one, which was so cute and so fun. But yeah, so my golf clubs can look stylish and fun. Love it. All right, and then winded it down, just a few gifts left. There is another beanie that I got from Jake, and this is my Givenchy beanie, which is so cute. This is just a really nice beanie. It's just a really cute, easy, everyday, nothing crazy. You know, said before, we're going up to mountains and I'm always cold, so now I got two beanies to keep me warm. But yeah, so that was more from Jake. And then my last gift that I'm opening is very sentimental. So, let me find it. An auntie sweater. They are pregnant and surprised everybody on Christmas. And she also surprised me and got this little auntie sweater, which I am so excited for them. We're gonna have a baby in the family, and yeah, it is gonna be so incredible. Such like a fun way to end Christmas. Truthfully, I actually had the inside scoop the whole time. So I was kind of helping them a little bit with planning this. I was the dedicated filmer of the reactions. So yeah, it was a very hard secret to keep and not tell anybody for a while, but I kept it. You know, if you got secrets, you can trust me. But yeah, so they are going to be parents. I'm going to be an aunt, which is so crazy, so incredible. So I'm super excited for them, and that was probably one of my favorite gifts this year, being an aunt and having a cute little auntie sweater. But yeah, seriously, one of my favorite gifts this year by far. All right, so that is my what I got from Christmas haul. I just ran through everything pretty quickly, but I was just so excited to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I really enjoy watching these. I think it's so fun and interesting to see what people get for Christmas. Also kind of gives me good ideas for next year or birthdays about gifts to get people. So hopefully you found this helpful in a way. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also be sure to leave a comment down below. What was your favorite gift this year? I'm actually really curious what you guys got, what you think was your favorite. And also just a reminder that obviously Christmas is not about gifts or, you know, getting the most expensive, most like nice thing. It's just about spending time with your friends and family, celebrating Jesus's birth, the reason for the season. That's what Christmas is to me. Also, Also, I am so grateful for all of you guys. Thank you for everyone who subscribes and is watching and liking and all that good stuff. So that being said, if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing. I'd really, really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas.